Hey, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with an episode of lesson. Okay guys, so for this video I'm going to show you the difference between the major pentatonic and the minor pentatonic. Okay, when it comes to soloing. Okay, because most time a lot of people misunderstand the minor pentatonic. Okay, in place of the major pentatonic. These two scales sound different, and that is what most guitarists use in soloing. That is what most guitarists use when they are improvising. Okay, you can be hearing some stuff playing, some guitarists playing some cool minor notes. Okay, all along the fretboard. Okay, it's just actually the minor pentatonic they are playing on. You have some cool stuff there when they're playing. Okay. Okay, stuff like that. So like you can hear cool soloing. Okay, so I'm going to show you the different how to use your major pentatonic to solo and your minor pentatonic to solo. Okay, so in this video, you know that this is the first time watching me, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. And if you have any challenges, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Like the video, smash the like button. I really appreciate that. Okay, if you want to join my WhatsApp class, if you want to enroll my personal WhatsApp class, you can follow the number on the screen there and chat me up. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the video. So I'm going to do the lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C on the 5th string. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But that is the key of C. So now, what the notes that form the pentatonic? And many of you know the pentatonic shape. Many of you know the pentatonic shape. Okay. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la. Okay. Okay, that is the pentatonic shape for the major pentatonic. Okay, and now this is the minor pentatonic on this shape. The minor pentatonic is from there. Okay. That is the major pentatonic, the minor pentatonic here. Okay, let me explain that very brief and quick. Now you have your scale here also. When you run from your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, you have your root note here. Okay, so from here you can play do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, la, ti, okay, and so on. So from this shape now, this other position on the key of C, you can play it upward from this shape now. Okay. Okay, that is the key of C. So from this shape now, you take up your pentatonic. Same as this shape, you take up your pentatonic. You can shake it from this shape now. You take up. So this shape now will be your minor pentatonic. While here will be your major pentatonic. Now, how the notes that form the main pentatonics are your root, your flatted, which is your more in an alphabetical in sulfur notation. Your do, your more, va, sol, okay, do, mo, va, sol, do, do. okay, do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. That gives you a minor pentatonic. The minor pentatonic there comes in from what makes the minor pentatonic is the mod there, which is the flatted, okay, which is the flatted there, yeah. Do, re, mo, okay, mi. Okay, it should be do, re, mi, fa, sol. So you play your do, re. Okay, this small here is giving you the minor pentatonic. So when you play from your do, mo, fa, sol, okay, fa, sol, do, do. Okay, do. Okay, that is a minor 7. Okay, that is a minor 7 and or dominant 7 as well. Okay, the flat 7 there, which is the dominant 7. Okay, the flat 7 there, which is the dominant 7. Do, it was give you the minor pentatonic as well. Okay. Okay, while the major pentatonic gives you la do, re mi sol la do, re mi sol la sol mi re do la. Okay, while the minor pentatonic gives you do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. Okay, so on these two shapes now, you can come down from your. So you have your do, re, mo, mi, fa. So you're going to play your do, mo, fa. Remember we have a va here. So you're going to repeat the va again, okay? Do, mo, fa, sol. Okay, this is your do. Remember this is your root, okay? Okay, so from here you have your do, mo, fa, sol. Okay, do. Okay, you have your do here again. Do, sol, do. Because this should be your sol, la, do. Okay, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol. So it should be now, it should be sol, do, not sol, la, sol. Okay, sol, do, do, mo. You have your mo again here on the first string. So from here you can pick up again from the mo, do, do, sol. Okay, va, mo, do. Okay, so that is how it sounds. You see the comparison of the two scale there, okay, the major and the minor pentatonic. You hear it sounds. When you play the major, come to the minor. The minor gives you another tension of the scale, okay? Okay, on this major pentatonic, you can use when you're playing on your la. That would be your A minor chord. So when you come to the minor pentatonic, okay, you can play your C dominant 7 there. Okay guys, so I believe this video is going to help you and make you and also advance your playing skill, okay, and also help you enhance your playing skill. So I'd like you to hit on the comment section wherever you don't understand. I'll get back to you, okay? Alright, shout out to you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.